hood is up. We are in the garage with the Skoda Octavia. So, common problem on these. The heater matrix blocks up with rubbish or silt from the casting of the block during the manufacturing process. Now, a new heat exchanger or heater matrix, they're about £90, £100, but I don't want to pay that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out, flush it out both directions with hot water because we've got a hot tap over here, and then I am going to put some descaler. I'm going to put some descaler in it and some boiling water and let that sit for about 10 minutes. And then hopefully we should have some heat back in the car. This is the one that Jen drives round. We are due our second baby tomorrow, so I can't really have them driving round in the cold. So, got to fix it today. And in other news, shaved my hair off. Well, I haven't. One of the lads from work did. Obviously not inside work. But this is the new look. Let me know how bad it looks. Apart from this lump on my head. Let me know how bad it looks in the comments. Alright, glove box out. So, this in an Octavia should just lift out. He says, let go. Right, glove box out. Put that to one side, out the way. Actually, it's going in the back. Right, next up, this panel here, which held in with a Torx bit. Pulled that down and out. One panel out. Is this a screw out type one? No. Piece of foam out. So what we need to do now is look and see what's stopping us getting this out. So, Allen key clamps. Don't know what that is, but there's an Allen key clamp here. And then this whole thing slides this way. Is that the right size Torx bit? Come on. It is. As if it's this easy. Google said you needed specialist tools. Google lied. Right, there has to be another one. I can't get this big bald head in there. Oh, Jesus. Right, size is this. T20. Right, camera's got to come out the way. Just can't see. Oh, I might be able to get in there with this. No. What about that end? Maybe you do need specialist tools. Because this doesn't reach. This is too long. Right. Let's try again. No. I don't think this is going to work. I think this is too chunky. It's going. Slowly. Let's see if I can spin it by hand. I can. Is that just a cover? Looks like a cover. Right, Allen key bolt. Looks like a 4mm. At some point, some fluid's going to come out of this. Oh, it's a 3mm. The fluid might come out of this now. So, I'm currently undoing this. I'm going to take it fully off. It's like a little V-band clamp. Oh. Yep, there we go, look. He's up and out the way. If I can move that completely out the way. Some pretty good clips on here. Ow. I don't know how that bit comes off. This almost looks stuck around that top pipe. I need to figure out how to get that top clamp off then. I'll report back when I know. I've managed to get this clip off. I've basically levered it down on this point here and pulled it off the pipe. All it does is sandwich the back one and the front one together. Put that in the fixings tray. As you can see in here, I've wiggled this down the pipe. It actually, once you've removed that clip, you can slide that over the piece up there. So I've got a trusty tray here and I'm expecting some fluid to come out, so my plan is to pull that off there now. Oh, that looked like it moved, that did. I'm just going to let the water go everywhere. Fed up of it already. Ah, there we go. Oh, there we go. I can probably catch some of that. Oh, there's some stuff come out of there already. No! Pipe's gone back in. I need to drop that down. And that one, but I feel like this is in the way a lot. Gonna move it that way. Oh, this is just dead awkward. Oh, this is held on with two 10mm. Hot bracket off. Oh, the top one's moved back in the way. Get out. Be careful with the core. Right, that's got to come out. This point. It looks easy enough to get out. Was it just that clip there? Surely there's more holding it on than that. So once that's disconnected, I might have to take this part out by the looks of it. Don't drop this one. This one goes in the coolant. Good. Oh. Yep, that bit's out. Right, let's try again. Ow. Bottom half of the blower motor's in the way. Does that just unclip? Oof. Sound. Like a million screws in that as well. Fuck my life. I mean, stuff my life. There's another wire. I think it would be really helpful if I had another one to know how long it is. I'm going to move this tray of coolant. What are the chances? T25. Oh, now I'll just put my head on the wet stuff. At least it doesn't get my hair wet. Ha, banter. Fuck, one blower motor out. Right, pull that pipe out the way. Come on. Oh, there we go. Right, what's going to have to happen here is I have got the hot tap running here. And what we should see when I push that in there is hopefully some water coming out the other side. But it would appear it's blocked. So, whoa. There we go. So if I hold that as tight as I possibly can there, not quite enough pressure to get that going, but back and forth. Seems to be clear. Water coming out of it now. Pour that away. Whoa, the silt in the bottom of there. That's not good. But at the minute, what do we have? Oh, okay. Right, you've seen the flow going through that, through the heat exchanger. Pretty good. So if you have a look at there and there, in the bottom of there, you can see all the silt in the bottom. That's all come out of that little heat exchanger. Right, let's get it fitted back in. I've got to say, after running hot water through it, oh, I wonder if I've ruined that. Oh no. That might be a problem. Right, there is no problem with this. Literally, I've just had to blow the veins out. But, my God, I panicked for a bit. Right, in reverse order, Jay. I can feel it already going wrong. That little rubber thing fits down the side of there. How am I supposed to get that down there? Nah. With a little bit of leverage, that's how. Something tells me this is going to be the hardest part, getting this singular clip back on. There's going to be an art to getting this back on, I can feel it. Probably need to shove the pipe fully in before. One. Do you know what? I think I'm actually going to put 3 screws back in first. Are these the same as those? Yes, they are. Right. That. Well done. That on there. That in there, that on there. Really irritates me that that just falls out of there. I'll have to buy. I have to treat myself some new tools, stuff it. Yep, that's tight. Gonna need that trim there in a bit. That's on. Right. Little Allen key. Well, what screws have I got left? Wrappers. Good. Should have 3 of those somewhere. 1, 2, 3. 2 of these. Nope, missing one of those. Got it. Do put motor or pipe back in first. I think I'm going to go with pipe. Oh, that was easy. Right. Blow a motor back in. Oh look, I disconnected that for some reason. Yep, that's good. Been driving about now, apparently, what, 40 minutes? I'll bet you I haven't. I popped around my local area, and then back to my house, to a friend's house to drop some stuff off, and then to a local hardware store to meet another friend to drop some more stuff off. Now, what I can confirm, my mate's just opened the passenger door and went, bloody hell, mate, it's hot in here, innit? So I can confirm it has worked. How long for? I don't know. But if it goes wrong again and it stops working, I know exactly what to do, which is probably buy another one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.